Welcome to the Norton Luxury Suite, perched on the fourth floor at the inn. This top-tier sanctuary offers some of the most breathtaking views. The heart of this suite features a plush king bed and a cozy seating area perfectly positioned to take in the scenery. The elegant fireplace adds a warm glow to the room, just the right amount of ambiance for a quiet, relaxing evening. Nearby, you'll find a dedicated workspace and a curated selection of local guides. Step through the French doors onto your private balcony. From the fourth floor, the view of the rolling Missouri hills and the town of Hermann is simply unmatched. It is the ultimate spot for a morning coffee or a sunset toast. Back inside, the hospitality station is tucked away for your convenience, featuring a refrigerator, microwave, premium coffee, and anything you may need to keep you refreshed throughout your stay. The spa-inspired bathroom is designed for total indulgence. It features a spacious vanity with a backlit mirror and a modern walk-in shower with multiple body jets for a truly rejuvenating experience. Finally, take a long soak in the deep whirlpool tub. Nestled right under the window, it allows you to enjoy the panoramic views while you unwind in total luxury. Call and book the Norton Luxury Suite today. We can't wait to welcome you.